to be here. So one of my favorite things about being at Collision is celebrating the strength of the University of Calgary innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem. For a growing and thriving tech community, there's more growth to come. We're just getting started, and it's really exciting to show off. I've had lots of conversations with people who are interested in moving to Calgary, and I think the University of Calgary plays a really important role in that development of our ecosystem.
We're here at the Collision Conference serving Phil and Sebastian coffee, one of Calgary's best roasters, an alumni-built business, and essentially giving Calgarians out here a taste of home.
I'm here at the Innovation Mixer here at Bellwood Brewery in Toronto. It's really important for us to get out, and here we are in Toronto with a few hundred of our friends, people here from Quebec, Ontario, many of the provinces represented, and talking about innovation, talking about some of the startups that we're partnering. It's a great event for Canada.
I really appreciate Hunter Hub and Innovate Calgary to bring us to Collision. It has been a great experience meeting all the connections over here and scaling our business.
It's been great to attend Collision. It was super good to make all of the connections and meet the people in real life and how we fit in the ecosystem. It's been really good for us.
Thank you.